On April 23, 2025, at 12:49 p.m., a big earthquake hit near Istanbul. Inside many homes, things started to shake and break, and pictures on wall cracked. The shaking lasted about 13 seconds. People ran outside into the streets, cracked roads back and forth like boats on waves. Everyone stood in open spaces, away from buildings, scared by each shake. The earthquake center was under the Sea of Marmara, about 40 kilometers from Istanbul. It was 6.2 on Richter scale and only 10 kilometers deep. That made the ground shake very hard. Just after the first quake, more than 50 small tremors followed. The strongest was 5.9. Each aftershock made people jump and look around nervously. Two minutes after the main quake, cameras showed the sea water jumping. As you can see in video, big waves hit the docks. Water splashed high in the air. Fishermen quickly tied their boats. People on shore watched in worry. By evening, about 186 people were hurt. Most had small cuts or sprains from falling or running outside. No one died. Schools closed for 2 days so children could stay safe. Rescue teams and engineers walked through the streets. They checked walls, doors and roofs. They told families which houses were safe and which needed repair. Turkey has many fault lines under the ground, so quakes happen often. Strong buildings rules kept most buildings standing this time. Still, this quake reminds us things can change in instant. Stay safe, stay alert.
الله يسترنا في بناية واقعة هناك والناس هي في الشوارع.